Alright, so check this out. This is the setup that I have been running with for a while with the Godox X1T trigger, and then my flash on top of that trigger with the 8200 that I can use to go around to do other flash pops with. Well, guess what? I just found out that you have a built-in trigger already on the V1. So we don't even need this X1 trigger. We can just use the Godox V1 as a trigger, all-in-one solution. Check this out. So, this is what you need to do. You need to have this little button on the far right. Click that till you get where it says M-A-B-C. M is going to be the flash which is the V1 sitting on top of the camera. And now I'm just going to program my Godox V1, or I'm sorry, I'm going to program my Godox 8200 to be channel A. And so if I go, and then, so this is M, A, all these 4 buttons right here are your channels. Right here, we're just going to click that, and we can dial this in. Look at it's changing on the 8200 right now. So I want to be mobile, so it doesn't matter what we leave it to on the V1. So check this out. We're going to bring up our live view on our camera. Let's see, let's hit that button. We got the V1 at a half power. We got live view going. We're at a half power on our Godox 8200. Let's go over here. There we go. We just lit. Here, we put it down lower so you can see. Let's switch hands here. This is hard. There we go. Let's just fire off a flash. Responsiveness is really good too, which I like. Not much lag at all. Let's go into the kitchen here. Wait till that loads on my phone. That lit it nicely. Go back. So I'm behind a wall here. Let's see if it still works. Here, I'll put it down lower. Come on, fire. There it goes. And that's half power. Let's hit play. There we go. We lit the kitchen. So this is really all you need, guys. You need an app for your smartphone to connect to your camera. That way you can be mobile. You can walk around the house. You could just review your images without having to run back to your camera. Use the Godox V1 on top of the camera with its own trigger, and then your 8200 and you're good to go. So full tutorial on this coming this week as I do on-site, on-location tutorial just like this with this setup. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.